This is just an ordinary production line. Let's add some hardworking and capable workers to it. An efficient production line can also be a spot of beautiful sight. This is just a common motor produced on the assembly line. Industrial products can not only be practical, but also have artistic beauty. These are the final products that have been efforts-taking produced. However, even minor defects could make all the efforts wasted. Strict quality control is the core essence of the enterprise. Finally, let's run all this at high speed. And this is Wonder. Wonder Electric was founded in 1988 in the coastal city Fuzhou. And remarkable development has been achieved over time. 330,000 square meters of factory area and more than 1,300 group employees. This is our growth achieved across the century. As a company who was born in the 80s, Wonder has been focusing mainly on the manufacturing of electric motors for over 30 years. Our vision is to become one of the world's leading high-efficiency motor manufacturer. From production of casting, assembling, to testing the motors. Our internal supply chain, with high efficiency and high quality, always supports our dream. From materials, technology to the casting process, Wonder relentlessly pursues low-carbon emissions, taking the lead in bringing the latest IE5 ultra-premium efficiency motors to the markets. We strive to provide the world with a safe and reliable source of green power. We boast for state-of-the-art production facilities, and our dreams are not just based on talk. Mazak CNC Machining Center, Shank Dynamic Balance Tester, and a Fanuc robot arm have enabled us to realize high precision and high efficiency in the production, and yet encourage our dream to go further. Wonder provides a wide range of products, and each of the 4 main series has its own characteristics. It is distributed to more than 50 countries and regions amongst Europe, America, Asia, and Australia, weaving a wide Wonder sales network. We have won the respect globally with good quality, and our reputation turns into a strong motivation for progress. We adhere to do the best in even little detail, and we believe that we'll emerge as a major player in world markets. We've built up a strict quality control process, and we believe that good quality relies on self-discipline. Qualifications and certifications are industry guarantees, while rigorous inspections are industry benchmarks. The motor with defects in its cast iron shell was smashed in public to warn all Wonder people that no motors of defects, no qualms of conscience. We shoulder firmly social and corporate responsibilities with the support of Wonder's R&D strength. The R&D Center is our strongest brain, cooperating with universities and domestic top scientific research institutions. Wonder independently develops a full range of motors. The super strong combination of strength is destined to collide with amazing sparks. These are the sufficiently functional teams of Wonder: sales, procurement, engineering, production, finance, etc. They work diligently and shine in their work by cooperating. They inspire ideas and condense wisdom together. There they are, a group of lovely Wonder people who form a loving big family together. Many people have accompanied Wonder for more than 20 years. They work and live together. Wonder has witnessed their youth. Likewise, they have accompanied Wonder's growth with their solid arms. This is Wonder. with clean workshops and garden-like factories, professionalism, focus, and dedication. This is Wonder.